And now let's shape our pumpkin. So I'm using my doll needles, hopefully they will work over here as well. So I'm coming back somewhere here. Like I thought so. They should be a bit bigger, but okay, I'll try. So what I'm going to do is I'm going all around, going in, out, in again, and then I'll pull. So I'll pull. So let's go in for the first time. So I'm going to come out the bottom. The yarn is quite long. At least for now. So I'm going back in where I started and will come out. And then I'll pull. Oh my god, it's going to be so great. And here, as you can see, I don't even have to make a French knot, not right now. So I'll make another one. I'll go somewhere here and come out. Oh. As the yarn is so long. Again, I pull. Look. So, and I'll keep going. And let's come back when it's finished. And then I'm going to do one French knot over here. And I'm just going to hide the yarn. But coming back. And now I'm going to try to make the French knot somewhere here. No, it doesn't work. Okay, I have to come somewhere over here. And I did take some more yarn, or left some more yarn than needed. Okay, I'll come over here. It's easier. And I can do the French knot over here. Oh, everything shaking already. But it's so much fun. Yes. Oh. What happened? These things happen. I'll sort it out, I'll come back. And where were we? The French knot. And now I'm just going to hide the yarn. And look, how lovely is that? And so it's a free pattern. Enjoy and show me your creations as well. Thank you.